G'day, g'day. Welcome back to Washing Dishes Around Australia, episode 6. Here we are at Expedition Pass Reservoir, Castlemaine Diggings National Heritage Park. If I have a sign to read, I know exactly where I am. Look how nice it is. If you're in Castlemaine, come check out the reservoir. We took the boat out here yesterday, having a bit of a splash in the water. All these people here enjoying life.
Beautiful.
It's pretty nice, and over this way we've got our dishes. This is yesterday's dishes. We got coffee cup, another coffee cup. We got keep cup, all the rage, the keep cup. This looks pretty good. I'll just give that a bit of a rinse in there. The coffee machine thing. We've got some carrot grated stuff on there. There's bits of carrot that went in a sandwich yesterday. Splish splash. Let's get washing.